Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back again. I'm gonna open this Absolute memorabilia box, see if I get something nice out of it. Here's the number just in case I need it. There we go. Alright, here goes. Last box that I busted was not good at all. Like some of you might have seen it. It was pretty bad. Alright. First one looks a little thick. Nene base, not numbered. Louis Williams, not numbered. Marcus Thornton rookie. This should be numbered 490 out of 499. And a who's this? Vince Carter freaking flyer, 3 out of 25. So that's cool. I don't know if you can see it, but the one has a little pinstripe. There's a little white right there. There you go. You can see it there. All right. Second little box. This one's a thick one too. Monta Ellis base. Kevin Garnett, not numbered base. Andrew Bogut Spectrum, that's numbered out of 100. And then team trios: Andre Iguodala, Elton Brand, and Thaddeus Young. Alright, haven't hit anything nice yet. Hopefully this will be, these last two will get some. This one's an auto, it's thin. Alright, Carlos Boozer base. Ben Wallace base. And Bill Russell, 1 out of 100. That's gonna be just a regular card, I think. And then, let's see. Oh, that's cool. That's the. I was actually. It's funny. I was gonna buy one of these on eBay for the PC. Honey Hawkins, numbered 42 for the Suns. Spectrum auto. That's numbered 9 out of 49. So that's sick. And there's that Bill Russell out of 100. eBay 101, 1 out of 100. That's sick. At least I got some for the PC. And this one should be my rookie auto. I haven't gotten a rookie auto yet. Last box I busted, I don't think I even got one of those RPM autos, which was weird. This one looks pretty thick. So this is probably my rookie auto, or maybe it's a patch. But it looks like a patch. Pretty thick. Or hope it's not a redemption. Yeah, it's a redemption. Maybe it's something nice. Memeo Core, not numbered. Chris Bosh, not numbered. Got a Scottie Pippen, that's cool. And that's numbered 446 out of 499. And this one is 2000 Rookie Premier Materials NBA Signatures 147. So I can already tell it's probably not going to be something good. 147, Ty Lawson. Not bad. Could have been better. Alright, guys. Thanks for checking that out, and late.